Loocam C516 Add instruction.
Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Scan the QR code for the latest Loocam app version. Registration. First, open the Loocam app, and click Register.
Search and select your country or region.
Tap Next. Then enter the email address, and verification code. Enter your 6 to 16-digit password and re-enter it.
Login.
Select the country. Then enter the registered account and password to log in.
Load memory card in power off state.
Connect the power and wait for the device to beep. Device is waiting to connect.
Device is waiting to connect.
Scan QR code to add.
Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner and choose Scanning.
Check Connected and tap Next. Then choose the Wi-Fi that needs to be connected and input the password.
Lastly, add the hotspot emitted by the device.
No QR code to add. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the beep sound.
Reset succeed. Device restarting. Please wait.
Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner and choose Add Device. Choose C516 product from the drop-down menu. Click on No QR code.
Check Connected and tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi, input the password.
Click Confirm.
Click Connect Device.
Find the Wi-Fi starting with IPCAP_ on the setting page.
Paste the copied password.
Return to Loocam app. Installation. Method 1. Place on a table or other flat surface. Method 2. Mounting with bracket not included. Find a suitable mounting location. Install the bracket on the crib. Attach the camera to the bracket and adjust the bracket to the right angle.